Hello friends, welcome back to series of tenses. And in today's part of our part 9 with present perfect tense, today we will take you a tiny test. Today we will take you the brain test. And today we will practice and today we will give the short test, that is what we have learned today by practicing, by completing, by filling in the gaps. By this you can understand and you can catch your weakness, that is these of the forms are in present perfect tense. You're weak and you are trying to emphasis on it. Okay, so no more talking. Let's get started and let's explore our today's part. So let's look forward. Start from here. I have divided it into the 3 sections, and each sections, these are the gaps, and we have to fill in it. So here, start from positive. He blank developed a new app. So someone created one app, and that app becomes damaged, and he okay. So he is trying to fix that. So we can say that is, well, if we want to make it present perfect, then we can say has developed. Has developed. Okay, developed. Okay, then we can add the ed here. He has developed a new app. Okay, this is ed. The next is we blank be to new work. So here our verb is here be. What it will be? What is the past participle form of be? Be. Okay, be will be versa what? Am is there, was were, and what? Been. Okay, we have been. We have we have been to New York. So it indicates so from past to present. The next is negative. Now we will try to transform it into the negative. Here, now our main task is to make it negative. She blank, give me an answer. How can we make it negative? Okay, we can say she what? Hasn't. She hasn't. Here our verbs give, gave, given. Okay, she hasn't given me an answer. The next, they blank sign the contract. What it will be? They haven't. They haven't, H-A-V-E-N. Haven't, then signed. Okay, signed, S-A-I-G-N-E-D. Signed. They haven't signed the contract. Next. Okay, in today's video, I have just mixed it with regular verbs and irregular verbs to test your brain. Okay, next. Let's put emphasis on question section. Now our main task is to transform each sentences into the question. So today we will see that is how can we make it blank. They make a decision. Now we have to make this what into the question. So during the question, we have to change the order. We have to put the helping verb before the word of subject. But we have to hour of the subject. And our subject is they. So which helping verb they is generally used? Have. So we can write first here, have, H-A-E-V, have they. Then we can put they. What is the past participle form of make? Make, made, made. Okay? So we can put it here. Then it becomes like this. They made a decision which indicates from past to present. Next, same like here. He take his medicine. What it will be? Has. H-A-S. Has he. We can write he. Has he taken? Take to taken. Okay? Which completely changes with irregular verbs. Okay, has he taken? Has he taken his medicine? Then our sentence becomes like this. The next is the last one. You do your homework. How can we make it into the question? Okay, imagine that you have many homeworks, but you have already done this. So how can we do this? Have you? We can say have. Have. Subject is here, you. So we have to write you. Then the verb is here, what? Do, did, done, which completely changes. The verb is do of the verb, to do, okay? Which is completely changes. Have you done your homework? Okay, so we have already understand this, but there's one thing I want to share with you. That is now we will just try to make it into the negative form of question. During you know this, or we can write here haven't. Haven't they, okay, haven't they made a decision? Same here, hasn't. Hasn't he taken his medicine? Same here, haven't. Haven't you done your homework? So which is the negative form of the question? We can also make it with the WH words. Okay, imagine that this word is have. Have they made a decision? Okay, make it with the WH one word, that is what. We can write here what. What have they made a decision? Same here. And if we want to say with the negative, what haven't they made a decision? So you can say like this with the other sentences. And these are the key points of our practice session. So I hope you have get it, and also I hope that you have answered all the questions. And if you feel that is I did the mistake in those types of questions. Some questions becomes very hard, and so sometimes I couldn't answer. So that indicates your weakness. On that time, you can just keep this part and you can just watch my previous parts and come to this part again. Then you will get this clearly. Okay, and for now, if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, everyone. And see you in the next video, everyone. And bye for now. And thanks for watching my video.